Good morning, this is Fl from Any House Cleaning, and today we are gonna clean these carpets. There's some spots that are black. We're gonna remove all the furniture in this room. This is the reason why I bring the round sliders, so I cannot damage the floors. If you need your carpet clean, just call us at 407-572-4118. I'm gonna start removing the things and put some photos of before and after. Thank you for watching. Hi, this is Fl from Any House Cleaning. Before doing something, I already vacuumed this area. I already removed all the furniture, or pretty much everything. And I'm gonna pre-treat the stains first, and then we're gonna use our Hydroforce inline sprayer. Then we are going to use our CRB, our scrubber, and then we're going to use our trap mount to rinse and steam the carpets. So I have been already pre-treating this area and taking out some grime and dirt. I'm going to do the same in this area, okay? I'm putting the pre-treated product. Let it sit a little bit. This is just a demo to show you in a video how we do it. We take the time that is necessary to clean the carpet. We are not like other companies that come with the truck mount, just do it 5 minutes and grab the money and that's it. So, white cloth. I'm gonna try to remove the stain with the product and transfer the dirt into the cotton towel. Do you see this? Well, I'm gonna continue to pre-treating all the stains. Let's check it out. This is a big stain. If you have a yellow stain or Kool-Aid, instead of any degreaser or any pre-treated liquid, you can use some ammonia. You need a white cloth. It needs to be white. You cover and you put an iron, and the Kool-Aid or the yellow stain will transfer into the towel. Really impressive. I don't have any Kool-Aid stain or I don't have any yellow stain. So let me grab this side and let's show you. So the stain will transfer into the towel. I'm gonna continue pre-treating some stains by hand, and then we're gonna use our inline Hydroforce, and I will make another video, okay? Thank you for watching Fl from Any House Cleaning, 407-572-4118. Check it out, we have plenty of videos. Facebook, YouTube, check out our website, anyhousecleaning.com. Thank you.
Miami, make some noise! Ultra